Drugs with a Difference is a pharmaceutical repurposing company. So we have drugs that are used for certain diseases and we are repurposing them for new diseases, in our case cancer. There are great advantages because all the toxicity tests have already been done and these drugs are approved for use in man. So it very much shortens the time to getting to patients in the clinic, and it also decreases these huge costs up to £2 billion and up to 17 years that a drug company takes to bring a drug to market. So we're looking at a much shorter window and potentially a much larger profit for a pharmaceutical company. One of the advantages of the drugs we're using is the fact that they work on the mitochondria, which are the boiler houses of the cell, and the mitochondria in cancer cells are very different to those in normal cells, and therefore these mitochondria are a true Achilles heel in cancer and represent a superb drug target. It's the holy grail of cancer chemotherapy because we're able to kill cancer cells and spare or not harm normal cells. We have 5 patent applications in at the moment for breast cancer, colorectal cancer, prostate cancer, lung cancer and brain cancer. As an example, one of our compounds has been tested across all 60 cell lines from the National Cancer Institute 60 cell panel, which is the gold standard for testing cancer drugs, and the test compound we gave them kills all 60 cancers.
Well, the time frame is that we would like to think within 3 to 4 years we are going to have these drugs on license out there and working, showing positive results. To make this happen, we've got to have funding. I'm totally convinced with the techniques and the sort of expertise that we've got on board, we can move this forward to a very, very successful ending. One thing for sure is that we have the right man at the top. Tim being a world expert in mitochondria, and I have lots of expertise in genetic manipulation, in sort of GMP type work, and I think it's personally a great investment with a great potential of getting this drug, an anti-cancer drug, to market as soon as we possibly can. Well, I have a driving passion, and unfortunately I have prostate cancer myself, so yes, I have a personal interest, very much so.
I was 15 years of age and my brothers were 13, and Dad died of lung cancer. He never saw me go to university, get my degree and my PhD. He never saw me get married to Helen, and he never saw his grandchildren, Rachel and Peter. Cancer stole all that from us, and I know that it's stolen that relationship from many people that will be watching this video, and we're doing something about it now. I want to stress that we're doing the R&D and providing the unique intellectual property. I have ideas about founding further companies after this for treatment of animal cancers, multiple sclerosis, Alzheimer's and other diseases, and it's very important that we retain the ability to be able to steer our own ship.
Well, the beauty with BioCity, obviously it's central in Nottingham. We have a great communication system there, and BioCity has got many multidiscipline facilities within the building, and we were going to be able, because of our relationship, to be able to tap into these people, use people's facilities and use their expertise and their sort of knowledge. So it will be a very successful company working very much hand in hand with Big Pharma.
This is huge. We are going to do this, we're going to raise the money, and it will be an absolute game changer and a lifesaver. The idea of curing people and making their cancer something that they can live with and not die of is a massive motivator to me every day. I'd like our drugs to get to the furthest reaches of the planet and benefit as many people as possible.